विदाई बसंत की है ऋतु।
What is wrong with you? मैं hosting a show है।
Please wait, let me complete this. सर्दी को तुम दे दो विदाई, बसंत की अब ऋतु है आई। हवा फूलों से खुशबू लेकर आई, बागों में बहार है आई। भंवरों की गुंजन हिलाई, उड़ रही है पतंग हवा में, जैसे तितली फूलों पर आई। देखो अब बसंत है आई।
Oh, now I know. We're celebrating
बसंत
पंचमी है। Good afternoon, everyone present here. As we gather here on this auspicious occasion of Basant Panchami, we are pleased to have our respected Building Secretary Sir, Honorable Committee Members, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, our teachers and my dear friends. Today, I, Shanti Khandelwal,
And I, Bhavik Agarwal,
am filled with deep sense of pride and gratitude for all that our country has achieved.
जी हाँ, जैसा कि आप सभी को विदित है कि आज हम सब यहाँ बसंत पंचमी के पावन पर्व को मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। खिलते हुए नए फूलों के समान, मुस्कुराती दंदरित को देते नए आयाम, आप सभी को हमारा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। प्रकृति में नए रंग भरकर खुशी के इन पलों में हम आप सभी का अभिवादन करते हुए कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ करने जा रहे हैं।
Done as well as to commemorate the founding of the shrine by King Ella of Allahabad. Basant Panchami is celebrated with great pomp and splendor by the devotees. They sing, dance and play musical instruments.
अभिवादन हो आप सबका, स्नेह की जो नज्म सुनाते हैं। माँ सरस्वती के समक्ष दीप प्रज्वलित कर बसंत पंचमी का पर्व मनाते हैं। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, जिससे हमारा कार्य सकुशल पूर्ण हो जाए। बसंत पंचमी माँ शारदे का पर्व है, उनका वंदन करने जा रहे हैं।
चारों ओर बसंत है छाया, संग अपने बसंत पंचमी का त्योहार लाया। माँ सरस्वती का जन्म दिवस है आया, घर घर में खुशहाली लाया। भारत में कई त्योहार मनाए जाते हैं, जो न केवल उत्सव होते हैं बल्कि पर्यावरण में आने वाले बदलाव के सूचक भी होते हैं। उन्हीं त्योहारों में से एक त्योहार है बसंत पंचमी। यो तो माघ का पूरा मास ही उत्साह देने वाला है, पर बसंत पंचमी का पर्व भारतीय जनजीवन को अनेक तरह से प्रभावित करता है। हिंदू धर्म में पौराणिक मान्यता है कि बसंत पंचमी के दिन ही विद्या और संगीत की माँ देवी सरस्वती का जन्म हुआ था। देती ज्ञान का सागर माँ कहती, विषम परिस्थितियों में भी सफल बनो, सूर्यमुखी के समान खिलकर अपने कर्मों से महान बनो। बसंत पंचमी का त्योहार फूलों के खिलने का और नई फसल के आने का त्योहार है। ये मौसम प्रकृति को खुशनुमा बना देता है। इस त्योहार पर लोग आम तेज, उत्साह, सूर्य व अग्नि का प्रतीक है। इस दिन से प्रकृति के सौंदर्य में निखार दिखने लगता है। वृक्षों के पुराने पत्ते झड़ जाते हैं और नए पत्ते देखने को मिलते हैं। यह छाए सरसों की उमंग, जीवन में आपके रहे हमेशा बसंत की ये रंग, आपके जीवन में बनी रहे खुशियों की तरंग। धन्यवाद।
वाह, अति शोभनम।
Before proceeding, I would like to call our respected Miss Navita Samani ma'am to come upon the stage and
sa sa ga re sa ga ni sa ga ma sa sa ga re sa ga On behalf of all of you, I welcome all the members from the managing committee. Indeed, they have graced the occasion with their benign presence and the kind of vibrance I suppose they must have felt among the students also. Actually, we have limited the number of students, though this should have been a celebration where the entire school should have been participating. But yes, we have already talked something about that in the morning also. And I am repeating it again. See, Basant Panchami or any celebration for that reason in our country, India, is basically marking transition, right? Either is the transition of weather, or when the weather is changing, the eating habits also change, right? But when you have looked to this performance, what comes to your mind? The vibrance, isn't it? So spring marks the vibrance in the atmosphere. Okay, and you must be traveling to some places, so you must have seen the fields. The fields are loaded with all mustard flowers, isn't it? And we are not fortunate enough to witness the orchards where the sunflowers bloom. So this is the time when the sunflowers also bloom, and this is marking the transition where we have been cocooning ourselves. What समेट के अपने आप को हम रखते हैं ठंड की वजह से. So this particular day will mark the transition of the weather also. And now you will be able to again open up yourself, expose yourself to the kind of environment which is going to be prevalent, isn't it? All the positivity will be there, the transition will be there, and we will definitely be able to open up and get free from all those overburdening clothing which we are wearing now. Yes or no? So this is basically an occasion where we should always look forward, since it is an educational institution, and Basant Panchami is always known to pray goddess Saraswati, है ना? सरस्वती जी की हम पूजा करते हैं, और विद्यालय में हमेशा सरस्वती की ही पूजा होती है. Okay, so this is again a time where you should take a pledge. What kind of pledge? That we will be doing justice with what for we are coming to an institution. And it is not excelling only in the academic field, but also in the field of creativity. So this kind of performances, they are marking, yes, our girls are also doing wonderfully well as far as co-curricular activities are also concerned. But at the same time, it is high time when you should start preparing for your examinations also. So this is marking the transition also. Till now the teachers were after your life. Now you need to be after your life, preparing well for your examination, isn't it? So this is basically going to mark. बसंत पंचमी से 40 दिन बाद क्या होता है? होलिका दहन होता है. तो again there is a fire. So होलिका दहन भी क्या बताएगा कि now it is the time of onset of summer. So when you want to think intensely about each and every festival, you will feel why this kind of celebration is there. Now we are marking Basant Panchami with dance, singing and everything. That yes, now winters are over, we can spread our wings and we can fly further. Okay. So today again we are going to take a pledge that yes, the kind of vibrance is required in you people will be there. Our country is basically, as I told you in the morning also, our country is one country which is empowered with youth. And with the youth, they are vibrating with the entire vigor. Definitely we will be heading towards becoming a Vishwa Guru very soon. Right? So you need to commit to your own self that the vibrance inside you should not fade out. Marking that yes, now winters will be gradually settling down and we'll be heading towards summer. And immediately after 40 days, when there will be Holika then, that will be marking at the onset of summers also. So 1 month, you can eat well, you can cheer up yourself, you can study well, you will get the results by the end of your Holika Dahan, and then you will be entering into the new phase. Okay? So wishing you all a very, very happy Basant Panchami. Commit to your own self. And also a very, very happy Republic Day, and make a pledge to your own self that yes, we will be inculcating the value and the feeling of patriotism, the belongingness towards your country. Keep it in mind, children, when you grow up, you should always think of serving your own nation rather than planning, studying well here, getting every facility here, and then you move out to the foreign countries. You should serve your own institution, because when we are empowered with youth, that yes, the entire world should feel that India is again going to be a Vishwa Guru very soon. So this should be your pledge as far as Republic Day is concerned. From the core of my heart, I thank you all for coming and motivating these students, and wish you all also a very, very happy Basant Panchami and a happy Republic Day. Thank you so much.